long as it's not a tongue, they're not a problem with it.
As long as it's not what?
A tongue.
Oh my gosh. I will never buy them that. Okay, this is Kendall. This is Fiona. And guys, this is play, meaning we don't wear it to school. We don't wear it.
It's okay, Mom.
Okay.
What else? There's more stuff.
Hey, Koopy, can you scoop back sugars?
Poop.
Hey. Look what else.
Give me your batteries, kid.
Oh my goodness.
The batteries.
What is
Wow.
Those are bows for your
Bubble
hair.
Give me the batteries.
this? Lipstick.
Whoa.
4 of them. Give them to me.
I have to keep this stuff in this bag.
That's a good idea.
Mommy.
Oh my goodness.
There's 2.
got big
Are there
girl
2 more?
makeup
I need 2 more.
Yeah. And did you know, Gigi? Now I have
Can you-
more makeup.
Well.
I used to have
Fiona,
makeup.
say thank you to Gigi Poppy.
Thank you, Gigi and Papa.
Oh, they deserve some hugs. Look at all this stuff.
Okay.
Kendall.